Hey everyone, Andrew the Rail Fan of 4 here, and we have a train coming finally. So, we have this train coming. I'm gonna pause the video until it gets a little bit closer. I'm saying he's starting to get a little closer. I'll keep it filming for a bit. Okay, we'll go back a bit. This guy is slowing down. Maybe we'll get a train meet. Looks like we have another short intermodal train. I think we might get a train meet. We're gonna go the crossing. So I'm gonna pause the video if there's really a train meet. Just heard the horn. I'm saying that was the same train or not. Maybe it's a train meet, so I'm just gonna pause again. I think there was not a train meet, but I'm saying another train should be coming from this way or that way. So I'll see you in the next video, if there is by chance.